Yo, what's up everybody? Ampro here, and I'm back with another video. Today guys, we're gonna be doing a special video, I guess. Essentially I'm gonna be showing you guys my progress as like a scripter and like how I got to the point where I could teach other people how to script. So we're just gonna be going down and viewing some of my older games and seeing kind of like the improvement. So this was one of my first games that I've ever made. As you can see, there's like a ton of free models. I'm pretty sure this was a free model. And everything here is like a free model. There really isn't anything that isn't a free model. Yeah, so this was when I first started and I was just like messing around with like models, free models. I used the realism mod. Let's jump in game and see if anything is working. So pretty much nothing works. Okay, so the NPCs shoot. That's pretty cool. I have a sword. Oh, I have a lightsaber. You can kill the stormtroopers. So I'm pretty sure like there's some way to like just okay, yeah, so I don't know exactly what's going on with this game. These guys don't even have helmets. Never mind, they do. This is pretty cool. You got this cool sword. I don't think I made any of the models in this game. This game was like pretty much all free models, and I didn't understand how any of this worked. So yeah, this was like the first game I ever made. It's pretty bad, as you can see, and I didn't really code anything on my own. So after that game, which was this one right here, I think this is the next game that I guess is kind of playable. This is when I like started fiddling around with like actually coding myself. A lot of like the things are still free models though, and tutorials. I would like search online how to make something, and then I just put it in the game. I wouldn't like tweak it or anything. So as you can see, I became this guy. Okay, what is happening? Okay, there's my lightsaber. It's like hanging out over there. I don't know what's going on. You can swing it, I guess. It's like super buggy. Oh my. Anyways, this is definitely not the best game I've made. It's very buggy, it seems. I think I started using particles here too, and I searched up like how to make hitboxes and stuff, and how to like move players. And at this time, I pretty much only used free models and tutorials that I found online. Everything else was just not good. Like you can see, like all the VFX are like really basic and they all look pretty bad. I just like free particles and stuff. The animations are pretty bad too. I had morphs in this game, so like you could morph your player based off of like what weapon you had. I guess this kind of works. You can shoot people. It's not that bad. Oh, this was like a scope, I think. Except they would trigger the force push as well. And obviously the bullets weren't going where they're supposed to go. So that was interesting. So yeah, this was like my introduction to actually coding myself. It was all really bad, but kind of worked. So after that, I kind of went on the grind. I did a lot better than before I finished this game. Like there's a map, you can play many characters. There's like the test area where we had like a ton of free models and stuff. I had a partner for this game as well. I'm not sure what he's doing these days, but yeah, we did have lots of fun making this game. So let's test it out. I think most of it should work. I know the guns don't work anymore, but most of it works. So as you can see, we have like 6 characters to choose from. There's like another team as well, so you could pick any of these characters, and eventually it would load you into the game. Here we go. So as you can see, I have a lightsaber. I can like use force pushes. Like the keybind UI was pretty cool in my opinion. It looked pretty fancy. There's animations were a lot better in my opinion. Some of the models are still free models, but all of like the code and stuff was made by me, and obviously I searched up for a lot of tutorials. You can like force jump if you hold down space. That was pretty cool. I think you can find this game on my profile. This is like my first game that I've ever made, so yeah, you could probably find it on my profile. Yeah, I really like this game. It was based off of a Star Wars game called Star Wars Battlefront 2. It's pretty cool. As you can see, you can like slice stuff, and there's abilities. And there were a lot of characters to choose from. There's 12 in total. 2 of them don't work anymore, but the rest all do. Like you could play as like Obi-Wan or Yoda. And we added like custom stats for each character as well. All of them have their own stamina, their own damage. It's pretty cool. Maybe like in the future I might come back to making a game like this, but for now I'm done with this game. You know, overall it was pretty cool. And each team got like 35 lives, and then once the time limit hits, or your team runs out of lives, the other team wins, you know. We had like a donate button in the top right over there. And yeah, the camera I think I custom made as well. It's a custom made camera, so that was pretty cool. I looked up like an online tutorial on how to make a cool camera, like a shift lock camera. And this was like the result that we had. All of the models, like the player models, like the trees, those were all free models that I like tweaked a little. So yeah, let's move on. Yes, this is the next big game. So this game is like completely unfinished, but this is where I really started trying to make abilities. I played like a JoJo game, and I thought it was cool, and also in the time I was interested in, I thought Avatar: The Last Airbender was pretty cool. So I basically made a JoJo game, but Avatar, and you could get like the bending styles by using these like power crystals. I made the animations. I didn't make like the particles or anything, but yeah, I'm not even sure what this is. Oh, there was like a test spec in here that wasn't really anything. It was just like where I could dump all my random abilities into. Like there's this big laser beam thing, there's like this knife throw. Yeah, there's just stuff like that. Like an uppercut, I think. Well, let me try to show you guys the other bendings. Let's see, what is this? This is still the same. I can change it manually if I go in here. Oh, I got airbender. That's cool. So now I'm an airbender. There's like this jump skill. This was literally a stand jump, and I started like working with VFX as well. I tried making VFX. This game also had my first data store stuff. Like it would save how many power crystals you had. That's why like when I loaded in the game, I still had some power crystals left. And I was like messing around with like effects and a lot of stuff. So this game was pretty big for me, at least. I also messed with hitboxes and particles more. You can kind of see like the particles like over there. What else was there? I think there was like this big explosion thing that you could do. Let me see. Clicking all the wrong keys. Oh, there it is. It's like a little AoE attack. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Here, let me see. Oh, you can barely see it, but yeah, it was an AoE attack. It would push people away. See? Let's see what else we get. I'll just show you guys the couple bendings. I know there's Earth Bender, and then you would like be able to summon Earth stuff. You could pop 90s with this, which was unintentional. And let's see what other skills are there. I know there's like this thing, like it's like kind of like a frontward Earth skill, and I'm pretty sure you could glitch it so that it would like build a bridge for you. See, and then you could do this infinitely. It's pretty weird. Yeah, basically this skill is literally Fortnite. You could do Fortnite stuff with this. I also started messing with like projectiles, and they were really inaccurate because I used dot touched. I didn't know of raycasting back then, or at least I didn't know how to use it correctly. What else is there? I think fire was pretty cool too. So you could shoot fireballs. I thought it looked really cool. This like fire slash thing was really cool in my opinion too. You can tell like the hitbox isn't very, hit detection isn't very good, because like you could see the fire slash kind of go over where it's supposed to go. It would like clip through sometimes, like clip through like the dummies. See, like it kind of clipped through and then for some reason exploded right here. So like there's a lot of inconsistency with it. And yeah, I think there's, oh yeah, this also came with like lightning, like this little lightning shooting thing. That was pretty cool. So you could zap people, and that was like canon because in Avatar the firebenders could like shoot lightning sometimes. Yeah, I think there's also water bending. I guess I can show you guys that too. So let me, oh wait, did I just end the simulation? Oops, I clicked the wrong thing. Alright, so let me go here. Let's see, I haven't seen water in a long time. I wonder what it is. Okay, so you got this water ball thing. You shoot a water ball. What is that? I don't even know what that is. It's like going up. I guess it's like a water projectile, but it's better than this little bouncy one. Oh yeah, you can make ice walls. Let's see what else is there. There's another projectile. And then there's this like ice spike move. I might make like a better version of this in the future. Well, I already have, but I'll make an even better one. So yeah, a little ice spike move. This doesn't look too bad. What else is there? Yeah, I don't think there's anything else. But that was this. This was like a huge learning experience because I started using tween. I used better hitboxes. I used like region 3 for hitboxes in this. I also used dot touched, which isn't very good, but for the time being it worked. There is one major flaw with every effect that you saw, is that it was server sided, so it's really bad. It would like stress the server, and it would use like a lot of server memory. You typically want to put effects on client because you don't want to stress the server with it. Now, the next game that was kind of good, or kind of showed like an improvement, I guess, is this. This game was huge, okay? I took my entire summer making this. But I kind of lost motivation because somebody else made like a way better version of my game. Well, it's not even a better version, it's just that they made the exact same thing but just thousands of times better. It was Heroes Ultimatum. This was like a My Hero Academia game. I built the entire map, like I modeled everything using like parts and stuff, even this building. I used free models like a couple times. The clock is a free model, I'm pretty sure. This goal is a free model. I don't know if this is a free model. It probably is. What else is a free model? This is a free model. I made this as well. The trees are all free models. These like every mesh in this was like a free model. Like all the VFX that you see over here, free models that I used. This game was very big for me because my coding skills really improved here. So as you can see, what is going on? Okay, so yeah, there's like that gravity smash thing. All the effects are on the client as well. There's like NPCs. There are like quests you can do. Let me just show you some of the cool abilities in this game. I made this many abilities that you could have, and each of them had like a couple, like several skills. Like some of them had a ton of skills. For example, One for All had like 8 skills or something, like 6 maybe. I don't know. Let's see. It was 6 skills. And I thought like the effects for what from what my skill level was back then, they looked really cool in my opinion. I'm pretty sure you could like release these earlier, but they'd just do less damage. The hitboxes for this skill were huge. Like this skill was very unbalanced. Like I thought these VFX, the little effects were really cool. I thought they were pretty good until I saw other people's effects, and I realized that mine were pretty bad compared to theirs. But I guess it was like a learning experience for me. And there's like a mode for this ability as well. And basically it made all your skills like greenish. There's like cooldowns, key binding, stats, all of that. Let's see. Let me see my stats. I don't know why I have so much speed. Thought that looked pretty cool. The leap also looked pretty cool in my opinion. I thought everything was pretty well made. But in reality it might not have been that good. Yeah, I made everything green. Let's see what other skills there were worth noting. I know. I think this one was pretty good. It had quite a few moves. I remade the little ice thing that you saw from the other game, the previous game that was really bad. This might have like the most skills in the game. So you had this huge ice thing. Oh boy, that guy had cool powers. There's like fire. There's like this mobility move that you could use. It doesn't do damage or anything. Oh boy. Oh boy, I killed a lot of people there. You could be a hero or you could be a villain, and it all depended on like what quests you did and who you killed, I guess. There's a mode for this as well. Here, I probably should reset so you guys can see the effects better. Oh yeah, and the cooldowns sting. The cooldowns are a problem, so let me just restart the game. Some of the skills had like insane cooldowns. Like the modes all had insane cooldowns, and they wouldn't reset if you reset yourself. So let's see. Let me show you guys the mode. So this mode just makes you look cooler, and it buffed you, I think. This was also like one of my first grab moves that I made. Just like blasts you off and it like locks you here. I think it's like a bug that happened. Oh boy, I'm stuck. Should probably reset. Well, there goes my mode, but at least you guys got to see what it did. I think I showed off all the moves already. Here's the ult. It's like you ice them and then you make them go fire mode. This move was pretty cool as well. It's like a big ice thing. Let's see what other skills were there that were good. I think fire was pretty cool as well. I made a lot of skills, okay? This took my entire summer, and the map also took quite a while. There's like some basic combos you could do, but not too many. Some of the skills are like completely busted, and some of them were more balanced. Like I think there's this one skill that's just pretty much one-shot everything in your way. So as you can see, that just like destroyed that guy. This move was pretty busted as well. This hell spider move. And you could like throw arrows at people and it stick into them. And oh yeah, all the NPCs have abilities too. Like they can zap you, they can explode and stuff. That's cool. So yeah, most of the effects here are on client, so it's really smooth and it isn't too laggy. Let me see what other skills are cool that I can show you guys. I think electrification is really cool too. This is like the discovery of the lightning module, which pretty much everyone uses today. It's 4 skills. This was actually pretty busted for like a common ability that you could get. You can become like Pikachu. You can zap people and stuff. This was its ult. It was kind of buggy, but it looks decent. Let me show you guys the method of getting abilities in this game. So if you find a hero or something and you kill him or her, you would be able to collect something called like an ability item, and basically they're just these things. Like they would just like drop if you killed like a hero, and you can use these to spin for abilities. Some of them are better than others. So like this legendary one was really good. So let's exit, and I guess I can show you guys. Here's the inventory. So I have a legendary ability item. So you would have better rates on this. You'd be like more likely to get something good. So as you can see, I got it rare first try. Now if I did it again, let's see what I get. See, I got an epic. Now if I use something like the normal ability item, you can see my luck will not be as good. See, I got a common. So yeah, there's like a rarity system, I guess. Yep. I guess I can show you guys one more ability before we move on. I will show you ice. If you guys want to see more of this game, you guys can find the game on my page as well. There's not much progression though, so the game's not very fun, but if you want to check out my effects, I guess you can play this game, my old effects. And if you guys like any of the skills you see in this and you want me to make a tutorial on that, just comment his ice. Ice was pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It's very good for a rare. Dang, I keep on missing. How did I miss that? I should have hit that. Ice was good because it would like freeze people. Well, if I could aim, that is. I missed again. Wow, hitbox in the next game, not very good. But yeah, this game was like one of my best games. Like there was a ton of quests that you could do. And there were even like these special quests. Oh, okay, so there's also this feature where you could like see landmarks. I literally copied this from Imperial's Ultimatum, I think. So you could go to like the recruitment place and they'd send you to like one of the cities and you would fight there. Let me see if I can pull up one of the cities. Oh wow, game crashed almost. So yeah, you could go to like city A, B, C. The license exam was for heroes and these like separate cities were for villains. And you would basically have to play out a raid, I guess. So you'd spawn in and usually it would tell you what to do. Let me see. Oops. Okay, it doesn't tell you what to do, but it's supposed to if you load in from an actual game. And I think you have to just kill all the civilians and all the people here. And also like the heroes get alerted if you do like bad stuff. Let's see. They will start tracking. They all will start tracking. So yeah, that was how this game was. And the last game that I'm gonna show you guys is kind of newer. This game was a battleground type game for like anime characters. I didn't finish it, but it was pretty fun to make. The only character somewhat complete is Naruto. There's like a air combo as well that you can do. There's like M2s. I think there's a down slam as well. Just forgot how to do it. Okay, let's see. There we go. You can uppercut people. There's skills too, like there's the shadow clones. They like absolutely toss that guy up. I think he glitched. I was gonna make Sasuke as well, but I never finished Sasuke. I don't know if you can even play him. Yeah, you can't. You can play Naruto, though. Naruto's like, his base is finished. There's no UI either. Here's Uzumaki combo. I think there's a Rasengan as well. And you could like land a combo. It was pretty fun. Just the Rasengan. Let's just send that guy to infinity and beyond. Naruto also had like an evasive. He summons a clone and they'll kick for him. And you could like do a ton of crazy combos with Naruto. Well, I missed, but see, that was like a ton of HP just gone. And I just really wanted to make like a game where you could play as like different anime characters that wasn't ABA, so yeah, this was like the last game before I went off just doing other stuff. I made some other very small things like random skills, and eventually I started working on Shinobi Uprising. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. This video is pretty long, but I just wanted to show you guys my my progress over the years. This took around 3 years of progress, so it was a lot of progress. And if you guys want to help me out, just go ahead and like, subscribe, you know, and comment what you guys want to see me make. The next video will be a tutorial, so yeah, go ahead and do that. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.